Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey everyone, how are you today? I hope you are in a good condition, happy and stay healthy. Today, we are going to discuss our topic study, the impact of job stress on the employee productivity during the COVID-19 pandemic in the aviation industry. May I introduce myself? My name is Muhammad Rizal Wibisono. We are team from Binus University, Master of Industrial Engineering. The first time I will start about my presentation with introduction. For the second, research objective. For the third, research method. For the fourth, research result and analysis. For the fifth, conclusion. And the last, recommendation and further research. So let's get started. Introduction. In 2020, the COVID-19 outbreak is currently a world concern in preventing its impact. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly affected many aspects of human life throughout the country, especially in the aviation industry. The main causes that contribute were: first, decreased global commercial flight, especially the Asia region. Second, direct impact of the flight ban due to COVID-19 is the overall economic activity, like the creation of jobs in the aviation industry, stress, and the impact on worker productivity. Next, decreased commercial flight. Both figures explain the number of decreased global commercial flight and the decrease of commercial flight at several airports in Asia. They have significant amount in the decrease of commercial flights, leave only 30% of the normal total number of flights. Second part, research objective. The objective of our research is to determine the effect of job stress and COVID-19 parameters on the employee productivity in the aviation engineering company. The third part is research method. This is methodology flow in our study. Data retrieval, data processing, multivariate regression analysis. We use Cronbach alpha, R-square statistic, F-test statistic, and t-test. And the final process is analysis data result to produce result and conclusion. And then this is research variable. We use three research variable. They are stress, COVID-19 parameter, and productivity. Subfactor variable. In this study, we use a quantitative method. And this is our framework method on this research. For the COVID-19 parameters, we use indicators: workplace isolation, lack of peer advice, lack of communication, family distraction, and role overload. For job stress parameter, we use indicator workload, role ambiguity, role conflict, social support, career, and job control. They both are used to gain a correlation to productivity. In the productivity parameter, we use indicator work, work performance, behavioral change, work engagement, loss of productivity, and labor turnover. And next is respondents. We use 10% precision level rule. The data sample taken is at least 64 individual. But in the study, we used 65 individual employee data sample were taken at PT Garuda Maintenance Facility AeroAsia Tbk, especially in Component Services Department. And this is hypothesis in our study. The following is the hypothesis in the study. Hypothesis 1, job stress affect productivity. Hypothesis 2, COVID-19 stress parameters affect productivity. So this is linear model equation. And next, fourth part is research result and analysis. Reliability of participant response analyzed using Cronbach alpha. All calculated alpha values were higher than the threshold. Therefore, we conclude that the respondent response are reliable. This is the first statistical is R-square statistic. The result of R-square is 0.681 or equals to 68.1%. This means that job stress and COVID-19 simultaneously affect productivity by 68.1%. This suggests that model 1 reasonably fit the data. And then the second statistic is F-test. The compute F statistic is of 66.24 with a significant value 0, which indicates rejection of the null hypothesis. The third statistic is t-test. The t-test explains that coefficient beta 2 more significant than the coefficient beta 1. The value of job stress and the coefficient and the COVID-19 parameter variable, they both are declared significant. COVID-19 stress parameters are more influential on productivity than job stress. This is t-test table result, and we obtain a multivariate regression model that's connect to job stress and COVID-19 parameter on productivity as follow this equation with the value of beta 0, beta 1, and beta 2. And this is figure of histogram and normal probability plot of regression standard residual. Based on the probability plot and histogram display, the multivariate regression analysis in this model in this study has met the valid requirement. Based on the result of the data processing in the research result and analysis, we propose on this study can be answered, which are the distribution of productivity based on the data obtained tend to follow the normal distribution. Based on the result of statistical tests, the hypothesis 1, hypothesis 2 are accepted. The job stress factor and COVID-19 simultaneously affect the productivity of engineering employees in the aviation industry. Based on research during this pandemic, it was found that COVID-19 stress parameter was more significant factor affecting low employee productivity than the job stress in the aviation engineering employees. So here is our recommendation or suggestion. The suggestion for the study is to carry out more research in the various industrial sectors regarding employee productivity during the COVID-19 pandemic. It's better to approach aspects of company management strategies in the dealing with the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic by the organization policies need during the pandemic. So that's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.